Hi, this is my tutorial on how to embed a PowerPoint into a Canvas assignment. So first I'm going to navigate to my PowerPoint here on OneDrive, and you can see I have a couple here, so I'm going to open this one up. And then once it opens, I'm looking for the share. Now I'm not going to use this share because this only allows me to share through email, Outlook email, and copy a link. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to come over here to my File tab, and I'm going to click on this share. This allows me to get an embed code. So we'll open that up. Here's the embed code. I'm going to copy that. Then I'll click over to my Canvas tab, and I'm going to use this insert/edit media. And here I'll tab over to the embed, go ahead and paste that embed code and click OK. And you can see my PowerPoint shows up here. There are options to make it larger, and I rushed through that, so you can go back and look at that. But that's my tutorial on how to embed a PowerPoint in a Canvas assignment. Thank you.